This is the Colchester Park, Colchester Beach. Ayan guys. Very nice here. Ang daming naligo ngayon. It's nice weather today. So dyan, ano kayo ng pambot dyan or boats going there sa, ano ba yung pangalan? Nalimutan ko. Guys, at yan marami naligo. Ayan. Pantalan. Doon kami nag-park.